Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your files with Google Drive, beginner guide step by step clearly. To start transferring your files with Google Drive, first, make sure you have a Google account. Open your web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. Sign into your Google account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Google Drive dashboard. To upload files, locate the New button on the left side of the screen. Click on the New button to reveal a drop-down menu. From the menu, select File Upload to choose specific files. A file dialog will appear, allowing you to navigate to the files you want to upload. Select the files you wish to transfer and click Open. Wait for the upload to complete. You'll see a progress bar indicating the status. Once the files are uploaded, they will appear in your Google Drive. To create a new folder for better organization, click on the New button again. From the drop-down, select Folder. Name your folder and click Create to finalize it. To move files into the new folder, click and drag the files into the folder. Alternatively, right-click on the files, select Move to, and choose the folder. If you want to share files, right-click on the file you want to share. From the context menu, select Share. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with. Adjust their permissions as needed by selecting Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. Click Send to share the file with the specified individuals. To access your files from other devices, simply install the Google Drive app on your smartphone or tablet. Open the app and sign in with your Google account. Now you can access and manage your files on the go. That's all it takes to transfer files with Google Drive. With these steps, you can ensure that your files are securely stored and easily shareable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.